Welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a new adjustment type in Inventora. Adjustment types are perfect for you to tell the system and customize the actions of updating your stock levels of materials and products. In order to add a new adjustment type, you're going to go to your business name on your left sidebar and you're going to scroll down until you see adjustment types. Click on new adjustment type and start adding the label for it, the adjustment type if you want to increase or decrease the stock level, and select what does this apply to, just materials, just products, or both. Once it is ready, you can go to your materials page or products page, and when you update the stock level, you're gonna see the new adjustment type there. And then if you want to delete the adjustment type, you're just gonna go to your business name, go to adjustment types, select the adjustment type that you want to delete, and click on delete. And this is how you can add a new adjustment type in Inventora.